Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I just got this in the mail from Angie B here on YouTube. Hi Angie B. So I haven't opened it yet. Let me open it. It says it's fragile. It's gonna take me a second to get it open. So bear with me. Got it open. Okay. Trying to get it out. I don't want to break anything. Okay, hold on. It feels like it's stuck on something. Probably because I didn't open it all the way. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. It says happy birthday to you. Okay. Is it a box? Okay. Do I have to unwrap it? Okay. I love it. It's pink. This is so pretty, Angie. Oh my goodness. I love. Oh, so pretty. So she sent me some beads. Look at these. So pretty. Let me open them. Sorry guys, I want to see. I like to touch. Oh, look. Look how pretty. Oh, I love them. Thank you. Oops. And then there they go. Okay, oh, she sent me some charms. Yay. I don't have like a ton of charms. Let's look at them. Oh, gorgeous. Look, guys. Oh, I love the pink anchor. That is cute. Oh, and the starfish. The lipstick, the heel is, oh, I love the butterfly. Those are gorgeous. You have very good taste, girl. And, oh, I know it, she made these. These are so pretty. She loves making flowers. She's really good at it. Look, guys. She does all that by hand. Gorgeous. Oh, and then she gave me a shaker mixture. Let me put these little guys back. I'm gonna have to make a card and put those on it. Ooh, look how pretty. Hope y'all can see that. That is pretty. Look at the bows. There's bows in there. So pretty. Thank you so much. I think. Oh, there it is. It's stuck to the top. Oh wait, there's more in here. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Angie. This is so cute. Okay, guys, let me show you. Look. She made me a keychain. In my favorite color, she did my G. Oh, look at the little pom-pom. And then she did a little dangle. And then she put a little heel on here. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm trying to look at it. And then she did a crown that has jewels. I'm like not in frame, am I? Look at that. Oh my gosh, so cute. She did it all in my favorite color. That's why she asked me that. Oh, Angie, thank you so, so much. Oh my gosh, I'm leaving that right there so y'all can look at it. I want to look at it. Okay, I'm gonna open her card. I would have done that first. I didn't know it was in there. I was stuck to the top. Oh, she did a seal. She told me to follow with love, Brie. Great hauls. Okay, I will do that. I don't want to break the seal. I like it. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's pretty. So, wishing a very happy birthday to you. It's your day. Celebrate. Hope you have a wonderful, blessed year. YouTube, Art by Angie B. Angie B. So make sure you follow her, guys. Art by Angie B. Angie, thank you so, so much for everything. I love it all. Everything. Thank you so, so, so much. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye.